Hi, good afternoon, and welcome to another Fox AAA tutorials. So continuing on, I'm back on the local project. Not working anymore with the Unity networking, and it's not bad. Like I said before, it's good to know Unity networking. It's just that Unity networking can't be extended so much, but you can actually still learn the syntax, the way you write the words. But in this case, we're gonna end up using Photon later on. So now we're gonna kind of make this game a little more cooler. At the same time, it's more for other people to be able to understand a little bit more about gameplay. So far I got the mine. Yes, it's a little crappy, but hey, got something. I got a little bot type thing. Something to pretend to be a bot. You can feel free to bring your own models if you want to. Show them off online. And I got my little rocket here. Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you something new. This is called enum, which can be used kind of like making your own variable types, kind of like saying your own floats, your own integers. It's kind of like, and sometimes it's used like several if statements. So I'm gonna go ahead, go on my prefabs here, player ship. There we go, and then open up my move script. So what we're gonna do with this enum, like I said before, and we're gonna do different weapon systems. So I'm gonna make it so on the left click are gonna be used for your primary weapons. On right click are for your secondary weapons. Now to change your primary, I'm gonna use the keyboard E, and then R for the secondary. Okay, so now I'm gonna go down here at the bottom.
Ready to go?
Sorry about that. So continuing on, we're gonna go in here, and then we're going to say public enum. And then I'm just gonna call it primary, and then the way it's done is just like this. You don't do parentheses, you just do your brackets. Okay, and then for the primary type weapons, we're gonna have bullets, or actually, you know what, I'm gonna change it to lasers, and then just put equals 0, then put a comma. Then you can do whatever you want. So in this case, I'm gonna do let's see, cannon. So for cannon, I'm just gonna use a sphere. 1, comma. And it's gonna be rocket. 2, comma. And then let's see. Wouldn't use the bot as a primary. I wouldn't use the mine as a primary. So the last one, let's see, let's do super. I'm just gonna call it super just for the heck of it. And then for the last one, don't put a comma, just leave it just like that, okay? And then now we're gonna do the secondary weapons. So public enum secondary. And then the first thing will be the shield. Then after shield, we are going to do mines. Then we're gonna do the bots. Well, actually, before bots, I'm gonna do yeah, let's do bots. Bots equals 2, and for last, let's do tracers. Equals 3. So this is the way I'm gonna set it up. So if we have rockets, you can just press left click to shoot them out. Now if you have a tracer, you can use it to tag an enemy or an asteroid, and once you shoot a rocket while the tracer is out, the rocket will follow your target. Cool thing, huh? Homing missile. That's what we're pretty much gonna end up doing. So next thing we'll be doing we're gonna set up the cannons, all that. We're gonna have to do the switch statements for them, okay? So see you guys in the next video.